So I'm doing the install of the speakers on the Sea-Doo 170 Wake Pro for 2020. I already got one in, but I realized that no one has a video up on YouTube about how to do this yet, and it's a lot different than the RX-TX one that I've seen, a little bit more complicated, but mainly it's the taking off the body panels. So one of the things you're going to want to do is there's a screw right here that you'll remove first, and then there's a little body panel pop-out screw, this one right here actually, that's inside right there in that hole. Once you take those two fasteners out, you can take those body panels and you can just push them forward and they'll just pop off. You give it a little bit of pressure and it just snaps right in and out of place. And this little piece of floor mat literally just peels up, and it's pre-cut and it's covering those pre-drilled holes in the hole right there. The instructions say that you'll have to drill these little holes right here to clear them out, but if you actually just use the screws that are included in the kit and run them through, it'll clear out without actually having to drill into your ski. These installation right here for the front brackets, pretty straightforward. You can just reach inside the compartment there and get at those three little nuts and tighten them up. And then you literally just plug it. The accessory plug is right here, plug it into this. The other speaker's plug is right here and it wires underneath the dash. And they have all these nifty little mounting holes that you can just push the pieces through. And we're all wired up and it's functional. Two pins, nice and loud.